I'm Dr. Ricardo Rodriguez, and I'm from Baltimore. I've been in practice for over 25 years. I like doing a lot of body contouring after weight loss, and I have developed a new minimally invasive procedure so I can do multiple procedures at once. I like to do the brachioplasty, which is the arm that usually shows up first, so patients like doing that. I can also do the lower body lift or the posterior body lift, the tummy tuck, all of those procedures, including also a breast lift. In the case of the Ozempic facelift, where people lose a lot of volume in the face, I can also do fat grafting. I have a lot of experience with fat grafting, and I was the president of a fat grafting society named IFATS. So we can fill up those hollows at the same time that we do the facelifting. So I can treat the whole problem holistically, not just from the surgical viewpoint. I'm looking forward to meeting you and an exciting future together.